Trí lads from Carolat le Gaeilge Mún a Hiskins níos fearr. Ibrahim, when possible, words will be pronounced with a defined consonant sound at the end, as opposed to a vowel. That may sound a bit linguistic. It's pretty simple with the examples. This I would pronounce I, in Munster, Aig. This I would pronounce Tussie, in Munster, Tussig. So always finishing in with that consonant sound as opposed to an open vowel sound. Or one of the most common ones, while I would pronounce this as Rao, in Munster it'll normally be Rev. And a lot of that goes back to the MH and the BH always being pronounced as a V in Munster Irish. Iver though, verb fusion. In Munster they love to fuse the verb and the pronoun. This is seen in Standard Irish and other dialects a bit, especially first person present tense, so Tom instead of tá may. But in Munster they do it for a lot of things. In the past tense, vi may will be vius for I was, and that goes for any verb. Rinnis, I did or I made. As well, vius for you were. So fusing the pronoun and the verb together. You see it in the Mochnilich lot, so instead of veach mudj and veach sheed for we would be and they would be, it'll be veimish and veiadish. And again, that copies over to pretty much all verbs in the language. Agus number 3, so and son instead of sho and shin. This is an important rule just because they're words that come up so often. So instead of on rud sho, often it's going to be on rud so in Munster Irish. The same thing then for unsho and unshin. If I'm saying he's over there, it'll normally be tá sé an son as opposed to tá sé an shin, which you'll hear in the other dialects and in Standard Irish. Really common words touches on a bigger rule within Munster Irish of the DST, often being pronounced in a sharp way, even when they're on slender vowels. So keep it in mind if you hear son and so in Munster Irish, that's just shin and sho. It's no different. For way more like this, head over to patreon.com/learn Irish online. Start your free trial today as a member for access to a load of different shows to help you get better at Gaeilge.